Welcome to Know Your Tools, episode number 1, and today we're going to look at one of my favorite tools. It's the Magic Wand tool, and let's learn how to use it better. So just to bring it back to the basics, the Magic Wand, it's down here on the sidebar, looks like a magic wand, and what it does is it looks for a color, and it can select any color that you choose. So for example, if I select this little shape down here, there you go, you can see it's gone around that block there. The thing you need to know with it is that you've got this edit bar at the top here and you've got a tolerance. That's your important part really. So that tolerance is anything between 1 and 100. If I put it back down to 1 and if I click on that same thing again, you can see that I only selected one little pixel there. In fact, just to show you better, if I take it down to 10 and select that same spot again, you can see you don't get as clear a picture, and that's because it's looking for a really exact color. So the higher this number goes, the more tolerance you've got with that blue color that I selected. So let's just say I go 100, you'll see that I'm actually going to end up getting a lot more than just that. Because this whole area is blue, this is all blue around here, it's selecting the whole thing. So you can see where the dotted lines go all the way around here. That's too much. So if we wanted to hit that bit there, probably about 25 is a good way to go. It's a really good probably starting point, and with this it always changes. So the main thing is that you just adjust it as you need to. So 25 gets us a nice clean line around there. You can see if I zoom in here that we actually got a little bit of extra there, but that's actually okay, that's fine. So what we're going to do in this tutorial, just to show you how it works, is we're going to get rid of this sky here. It's basically all the same color, but we have got some similar colors around the outside. So we're going to put this back to 15, and I'm going to go right up in the corner here. Okay, so that's how much sky I've got there. If I hold down the shift key, you get a little plus sign next to it, see that? And if I click again, it selects even more. So it's actually broadening the color range. If I hold down shift again, click again, okay, what do we got? It's going around this building really nicely. Maybe I'll come down here, hold shift, click. All right, I've got all that sky there, all that over there. I've just got this area here now that we need to make sure we get. So click again. All right, this has actually gone around really good. I'll get this last bit here. All right, now if we zoom in down here, you can see there's one bit there that we didn't get. Often I'd use probably a different tool like this selection tool over here to get rid of that, but because we're using the Magic Wand, I'll bring the tolerance down to 5, and just as I was plussing, if you hold the option key, you get the minus sign. So if I click that there we go, it's deleting that. There's a little pixel there as well. Okay, so now you can see more or less we've got all this sky selected here. I'll bring that back up a bit. It means that because we've got all that selected now, I can delete that as the sky. Bang. Now we've got the transparent background. I've just imported in another picture that I downloaded earlier with a new sky, so we can insert a new sky into the background. That's the other picture if I bring it up. So there it is, the Magic Wand tool, and it's just important to remember that tolerance. If you're not selecting enough, just bring that tolerance up a little bit, maybe into the 50s or 60s. If it's not selecting enough, just bring it back down. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, this is going to be a part of a playlist called Know Your Tools, where we're going to go through every single tool in the toolbar, learn how to use it better, learn how to Photoshop better. Thanks a lot, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're liking it. Thanks heaps.